In this video, I will be revealing to you the perfect retirement plan for individuals with $1 million or more. You will discover how to live a good quality life while generating a substantial amount of income per month. I will be breaking this down in 7 very simple, easy to understand sections. But before we dive in, do me this one favor. If advertisements should interrupt this video, please do not click off of the advertisements. Please allow them to play through as a thank you for sharing with you this valuable information. And, if this content has provided value, please subscribe to my channel. Now let's continue. Let me ask you something real for a moment. You've spent decades making smart decisions, saving, investing, being careful with money, and now you've reached a point many only dream of. You've built a portfolio worth $1 million or more. That's a milestone. But let me ask, does that $1 million balance give you peace of mind? Or do you still worry? I talk to people all the time, hardworking, thoughtful, successful people, who say, I have the money, but I don't have a plan. They worry about taxes, about inflation, about making one wrong move that jeopardizes everything they worked for, or worse, about outliving their wealth. If any of that sounds familiar, you're not alone. And the good news? You don't need another sales pitch or another financial product. What you need is clarity, a structured, calming, straightforward plan. And that's exactly what you're going to get in the next few minutes. Let's walk through a retirement strategy built for individuals with $1 million or more. It's simple, it's powerful, and most importantly, it's personal. This is your guide to turning your wealth into peace, purpose, and protection. Section 1. Why retirement planning gets harder with more wealth. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Having more money doesn't always make retirement easier. In fact, in many ways, it makes it more complicated. You have more at risk, more exposed to taxes, more decisions that could go wrong if not handled with care. This isn't a basic budgeting conversation anymore. This is about advanced retirement tax strategies, about managing risk, optimizing cash flow, and protecting your legacy. It's not just about making your money last. It's about making it work smarter, for you, and for the people you love. Think of your retirement like a long journey in a luxury car. The car is valuable. It runs well. But if you take a wrong turn, the damage can be much greater than if you were driving a clunker. That's why you need a roadmap. Section 2. Define what retirement comfort means to you. Let's pause for a second. Before we jump into numbers or allocations or insurance tools, let's ask something much more important. What does a comfortable retirement look like to you? Is it traveling the world? Staying home and spoiling your grandkids? Volunteering? Golfing? Building something new? For one couple I worked with, it meant waking up with no alarm clock, having coffee on the porch, and being able to say yes to their adult children when help was needed. Your definition matters. Because the biggest mistake millionaires make in retirement is chasing return, when what they really want is peace. And when you're clear about what your ideal day looks like, you begin building your retirement plan from the inside out, not the outside in. Section 3. Lock in predictable, worry-free income. Now let's get into the first layer of your plan. Guaranteed, reliable income. You don't want to wake up wondering if the market dipped 3% and whether that affects your groceries. So how do we create steady income? Let's start with the basics. Number 1. Social Security optimization. Yes, even millionaires need to think about this. If you haven't filed yet, delaying until age 70 can increase your monthly benefit significantly, up to 32% more than filing early. That's inflation-adjusted income for life. That's a built-in annuity backed by the U.S. government. Number 2. Create your own pension. Most of us don't get company pensions anymore. But you can create your own using a fixed indexed annuity, a tool that guarantees income no matter what happens in the market. Let's say you allocate $300,000 from your portfolio into a lifetime income annuity. That could generate $20,000 to $30,000 a year, for life. That income doesn't get cut in a bear market. It's not emotional. It just shows up. That's power. That's peace. Number 3. Bond ladders and municipal income. Another option. Bond ladders. You invest in high-quality bonds or tax-free municipal bonds with staggered maturity dates. As each bond matures, you collect income and reinvest into the next. This provides consistent cash flow, plus flexibility. Number 4. High-yield cash accounts and CDs. These aren't sexy, but they serve a purpose. You need money that's liquid. That's dry powder for emergencies or opportunities. The goal here isn't to grow. It's to never be forced to sell assets in a downturn. So this layer is about certainty. Knowing the bills are paid, the basics are covered, and everything else is optional. Section 4. Grow your money without gambling. With the foundation of income in place, now we move to the second layer. Growth. Because while $1 million is significant, it still needs to grow. Otherwise, inflation will quietly erode your buying power. Let's talk about growth strategies that protect you. Number 1. Broad market equity funds. These are low-cost, diversified funds that track the entire market, offering long-term growth with manageable risk. They aren't built to chase headlines, they're built to compound quietly. Number 2. Dividend growth stocks. Think of companies that not only pay dividends but increase them every year, like Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, or Coca-Cola. That rising income can help you stay ahead of inflation without touching principal. Number 3. Roth IRA conversions. If you're in a low tax bracket now, converting a portion of your traditional IRA into a Roth IRA creates tax-free growth for the rest of your life. This is a favorite move for high-income earners who want long-term efficiency. Number 4. Tax-efficient ETFs and private wealth alternatives. ETFs are tax-smart. They distribute fewer capital gains and give you flexibility. And with your level of assets, you may qualify for private equity, structured notes, or real estate funds that provide inflation-protected returns with less correlation to the stock market. It's not about being aggressive. It's about being intentional. Section 5. Eliminate silent threats, taxes, inflation, and market volatility. Now let's protect what you've built. Because with $1 million or more, your greatest threats are often invisible. Let's name them. Taxes. Without planning, taxes can erode your retirement faster than any market crash. Use Roth conversions, asset location strategies, and qualified charitable distributions to reduce lifetime taxes. Inflation. This is a slow thief. Use dividend stocks, tips, and equity exposure to outpace it. Market risk. Volatility matters more in retirement. That's why you need the right balance of guaranteed income and long-term growth. A structured approach reduces fear and improves outcomes. Section 6. The 3-bucket strategy, simplicity that works. Let's tie it all together with something simple. The 3-bucket strategy is used by private wealth managers to give clarity and reduce anxiety. Bucket 1. Cash and near-term needs, 1 to 3 years. Bucket 2. Mid-term income, 4 to 10 years. Bucket 3. Long-term growth, 10 plus years and legacy. This structure ensures that no matter what the market does, you have a plan. You're not forced to sell. You're not reacting emotionally. You're prepared. Section 7. Build a legacy. Protect your family. Give with purpose. Retirement isn't just about what you spend, it's about what you leave behind. That means estate planning, trusts, tax-efficient life insurance, and clarity. Do you have a living trust? A power of attorney? Are your beneficiaries updated? Do you want to leave something to your children? A charity? Fund education for your grandchildren? Use tools like permanent life insurance for wealth transfer, charitable remainder trusts, donor-advised funds. A clear plan isn't just for you. It's a gift to your family. In closing, you've done the work. Now make it count. Let me leave you with this. You've already done the hard part. You earned the money. You built the wealth. Now is the time to make sure it serves you. This isn't about more complexity. It's about more clarity, more peace, more confidence. And that's exactly what you've started here today. If this message gave you that sense of calm and direction, I invite you to subscribe. Every week, I share practical retirement planning strategies designed for high-net-worth individuals like you, those who want to grow, protect, and pass on their wealth with purpose. Let's retire smart. Let's retire well. And most importantly, let's retire with confidence.